Okay, today we're going to do systems of three equations with three unknowns. And really we could do this with 4 or 5 or 6, but we're going to do this all with the calculator. Alright, so we have this system of three equations and three unknowns. And so we're going to put this into our matrix. So when you hit second and then you hit the x-1 button, that gets you your matrix. Move over to the right 2, and we're going to edit A in order to have the coefficients and the answers. So that means that we need 3 by 4 matrix. So I'm going to do 4, 2, 1, 7 for the first row, 2, 2, -4, -4 for the second row, and 1, 3, -2, -8 for the last row. So plug that into your calculator. Alright, once you've done that, you need to hit second mode to get out of there, to get to the regular home screen. And then you want to go back to your second matrix button and go over to math and look for RREF, which stands for Reduced Row Echelon Form, but you won't be tested on that, so you just have to remember that it's RREF. Go back, go back to matrix, and under name, pick A because that's where we put it in, and you will see a matrix after you hit enter again that looks like this: 1 0 0 3 0 1 0 -3 0 0 1 1. So that means x equals 3, y equals -3, and z equals 1. If ever you get a bottom row of 0 0 0 0, this means that we will have infinitely many solutions, just like before. If we get an answer of 0 0 0 1, that means that there are no solutions that will work for the particular graph, and that's just on the bottom row. Okay, what the calculator does when it does all its work is it's basically doing all of these substitutions and eliminations for us to kind of get us down to 1x, 1y, and 1z. So in this problem, though, we're not set up right, so I'm going to have to do 4x minus 8z equals -8z. So I'm going to have to add 8z on both sides, and I get 4x plus 8z equals 0. So when I plug this into my calculator, I put a 4, and then since there's not any y's, I'm going to put 0, 8, 0. The other ones were set up the way we did before. And then we're going to do, remember this is in matrix A, so we do RREF, like we did in the last one, of matrix A. And reading down the row on the right hand side, we wind up with x equals 4, y equals 5, z equals -2. And that's it for solving multiple equations with multiple unknowns.